What's my name? Can you say mommy? Aubrey! Aubrey, can you say mommy? Are you just gonna not do it because I have the camera out now? Aubrey!
Mommy.
Yes?
I take pictures of Aubrey.
No, because I'm trying to get a video of Aubrey saying mommy because she's saying it so well now. No, we're not putting our hands in front of it. Not right this second. We're doing a video. Aubrey. Aubrey.
Like a mommy. Mommy. And then she'll take the pictures. And then mommy. And then it's different. And then mommy. Okay.
Hey, look, it's called my mommy.
Hi.
You being silly? Yeah? Yeah. That's good. Wave. Now we're looking at Emily and Aubrey. See?